Here is a Hyundai Sonata. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk. Now we need to get this cover off. This cover is held in place by multiple clips that go all around the cover there. For that you will need a flathead screwdriver, one that looks like this. We are going to use that to pry this middle part out, and then we can just grab the clip and get the entire clip off. Then what we'll do is we'll pry this cover open, and then in there's two bolts. For that you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. If by some chance you have these type of clips instead, then you can just use a Phillips head screwdriver to get them out as well. That's it. You screw the middle part out, and then you just grab the clip and the entire clip just comes off. And then let's just get all these clips out. And now let's get those two bolts off. Now gently pry on the cover and it should just come right out. You have to sort of get it out from behind those two ends there, then it comes off. Now just keep it somewhere safe. Now that's the license plate lights over there. The way to access it is from over here. That's one, and the second one is over there. Now the best way to go about doing this is just go and sit inside the trunk, and sort of I'm going to be facing outwards from inside the trunk. Now just grab the bulb holder, twist it left a little bit, and there it is. It comes right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. Now it may be stuck in there, and no matter what you do, it just may not come out. And so what you could do is just get the flathead screwdriver and use that to pry the bulb out from the edges just a little bit. You just have to sort of loosen it a little bit. And again, this is a broken bulb, so we don't really care about it. We just need to get it out. Get the bulb out. Get the new bulb. The bulb size is 168 or 194 or T10. Again, all the same size. 168, 194, T10. Get the new bulb and push it in position to secure it. And now let's put the entire bulb holder back into the lens. Now when you're doing this, you need to make sure that the bulb holder goes in and sits in flush. Like, see, it just goes in. And once it's in position like this, just twist your right a little bit to lock it in place. That's it. Now let's focus our efforts for the second one. Same process, same everything. It is just as accessible. You just have to twist it left and get it out. Same bulb size. When you bring it back in, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, there is enough space for me to get my hand in there. Then twist your right to lock it in place, and that's about it. Now let's go ahead and just put the cover back. Get the cover in position. Those two sides over there, get that in position first, and now the cover is just going to stay in place. There you go. That looks good. And now let's get it in position from the top sides, like the bump stops on each side, the rubber bump stops. Just get it over there. Good. Now let's get one clip. And when you put the clip back on, the center part needs to be pulled out. Just get one clip in position this way, and then just push the center part in to secure it in place. Now let's go ahead and repeat the process for all the other clips, one by one. And then put those two bolts back in and tighten them with a Phillips head screwdriver. When you're done, just press this close, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.